Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix payment could not be completed on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Check your screen time settings. For that, go to the settings menu on your iOS device. Then scroll down and tap on screen time. Now scroll all the way down and tap on contact and privacy restrictions. Here, make sure the toggle for contact and privacy restriction is on. Next, tap on the first option, iTunes and App Store purchases. On the next page, tap on in-app purchases. Here, make sure that Allow option is selected. Solution 2. Enable the toggles for App Store. For that, go to the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on App Store. Here, make sure that all these toggles are on your device. Solution 3. Sign in and sign out your Apple ID. For that, go to the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, tap on name bar at the top of the page. Then scroll all the way down and tap on sign out at the bottom of the page. Here, enter your Apple account password. Then tap on sign out. On the next page, tap on sign out at the top right corner of the page. Now tap on sign out in the pop-up menu to confirm your action. After that, sign in your Apple ID again.